How to add a picture to a post on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss whether or not it is possible for us to add a picture to an already existing post, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open the Instagram application and then maybe you posted something, you've already gotten a fair amount of likes, and now let's say you want to add some other photos inside it. This is not enough. You just tap the three dots option and then you go to the edit button. But when you go to edit option, you can actually see that we have the option to delete that particular photo by tapping the trash icon from the top left. This is the icon to delete that particular photo, but we don't have the option to actually add another photo to it. Now unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow users to add photos or videos to existing photos, which means that if you want to add a picture to an Instagram post, you must delete the post and re-upload it. Now the reason this happens is because let's say you posted something and you got so many likes, there became so many controversies in social media, and later on you just change the post to something else. That doesn't really work like that. If that happens, then there will be no security in the Instagram application. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.